Hello, everyone, and welcome back to BG News. Today, we're delving into the fascinating realm of deep learning, a field within artificial intelligence that's revolutionizing industries and paving the way for groundbreaking advancements. From self-driving cars to personalized recommendations, deep learning is at the forefront of innovation, pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve. At its core, deep learning mimics the human brain's neural networks to process data and make decisions. These networks consist of interconnected layers of algorithms called neurons, which learn from vast amounts of labeled data to recognize patterns and make predictions. Unlike traditional machine learning approaches, deep learning models can automatically extract features from raw data, enabling more complex tasks and yielding more accurate results. The applications of deep learning are virtually endless. In healthcare, it's being used to analyze medical images and diagnose diseases with unprecedented accuracy. In finance, deep learning algorithms are predicting market trends and optimizing investment strategies. And in entertainment, platforms are leveraging deep learning for content recommendation and personalization, enhancing user experiences. Despite its remarkable progress, deep learning still faces challenges, such as the need for vast amounts of labeled data and the black box nature of some models. However, researchers are actively working to address these limitations, developing techniques for transfer learning, explainable AI, and more efficient training algorithms. As we look to the future, the potential of deep learning to revolutionize industries and drive innovation is immense. It's not just the next big leap for AI, it's a paradigm shift that will shape the way we interact with technology for years to come. Deep learning represents a significant milestone in the evolution of artificial intelligence. Its ability to learn from data, adapt to new tasks, and outperform humans in various domains is truly remarkable. As researchers continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, we can expect to see even more exciting applications and advancements in the field of deep learning. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of AI's next big leap. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on the latest in technology and AI.